You're finally little corners of Macau, Beco, Estábulo, Municipal. Beco, Estábulo, Municipal. I'm just walking around Macau. Corners of Macau. Get up and take a look around. Going around corners of Macau. Beco, Estábulo, Municipal. Little corners of Macau. Beco, Estábulo, Municipal. Corners of Macau.
So there's a new street. I haven't seen this one before. So I think in this bigger street we're gonna check out the alley and what that is. There's a bus stop here. There's then we're gonna walk up to that little stuff up there and kind of give you some views. So we're gonna start here and we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, this area. I'm always trying to, these days I'm kind of trying to capture all the different stuff that I haven't captured before. And there's a lot of different things in here that I just didn't know anything about, including this little patio. So we're gonna walk all the way down, see what it is. Looks like it's up against Mongha. So Mongha is that kind of mountain right there. There's a fort at the top, and it's a pretty old fort too. There's a lot of history with Mongha. Okay, so it's kind of a small little patio. So we're going to combine it with this little lookout up here. Then we can also look up at, look at how tall that building is right there. Then we can see how big Mongha is. So yeah, this is a little Beco, Estábulo Municipal. Okay. So we're gonna go right up to the top of that. Oh, we also have this right here. And you can see, now you can see what our street was up against. I've seen this one for quite a while, I just don't know what it is. See. Oh, okay. Former municipal cattle stable. Huh. Looks like there's also some artwork in here. Huh. So I guess now it's just kind of a government building. We're gonna get a view of that in a moment. I guess we could go up that other way. So we're gonna go up to that and kind of take a look around. Let's see, these are some tourist signs for the tourists. We got the wet market, we got the 40 days of Mongha, Beco, and the Axe warehouse. That was all Du Bois. I think that must be the warehouse right there. We'll catch it from up above. Let's see. So let's go up this way. Okay. So that's kind of our area. We'll get some better views up here. So we catch it from here. Now I can see a little bit better. So that was the little Beco. We just kind of went in behind that. And then I guess that's a warehouse. An old cattle warehouse, I think it said. Ox warehouse. And you can see Mong Ha now too. So all of that is Mong Ha. And at the top there's a fort. Has a lot of history to that fort. And then that yellow building behind it up there is it's a tourism university. It's up on the hill. You can walk right up to the top within maybe 10 minutes from there. And, oh, sorry. Okay, so let's and down that way is a red market straight ahead. Okay. Try to give a better view of the red market. So the red market's right there. Okay. And then right over here is the Condemble, I think it's like the dog races used to be right here. Kind of take a look up here too, so it's a better view of the Mong Ha. Okay, so that was our space, is right in there. We'll end our video right here.